welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, weekdays in my life ulit. Cause malapit na matapos yung school namin. Like, 2 weeks na lang. Ngayong week at saka next week. Konting tiis na lang. Bakasyon na! Pero, ayan, medyo kumahog lang kasi kakatapos lang ng isa naming research activity tapos magkakaroon ng isa pa. Which is yung comparative statistics. Wala pa akong nagagawang introduction and wala pa akong respondents. Ito parang paano simulan. Pero, ngayong week, sisimulan ko na siya kasi ang pasahan ay by the end of second semester. Eh, ang end ng second sem ay next week. And update nga pala guys sa pag-student assistant ko. Ang last duty ko na lang ay sa Friday. Anyways guys, ano oras na ba? It's 5:55. Tapos ang pasok ko ay 7:30. 7:30 to 9, side stop. 9 to 10 ay PE. 10:30 to 12 ay computer fundamentals namin. Tapos, ng oras lang talaga yung break namin sa lunch. Tapos, 1 o'clock to 2:30 ay STS. 2:30 to 4 o'clock ay biopsychology. So, possibly baka 5 o'clock na makauwi. Depende ba kasi habaan yung discussion sa biopsych at ilang days na namin hindi na-limit ulit yung prof namin. So, samahan niyo ako guys for this day and tomorrow, the other day. I-prepare muna ako ng kakainin. And yeah. And if you're new to my channel, panoorin niyo muna yung mga videos ko and mag-decide kayo if I deserve to be subscribed. And mag-subscribe na lang kayo guys. And like this video pag nagustuhan niyo.
Bonk.
Nanet. No, ice cream. Biopsych time. Pag tumahimik kayong dalawa.
Kasi mabait kami pagdating sa
Sige nga, kantahan nyo nga si Mama.
Sige ka, tahanan mo si Mama.
What?
Sige! Merienda time! Ito ay marble cake, kung alam nyo, from SNR. Awkward! Hindi kita bibigyan na. Also, cucumber! Mukha siyang kalamansi, pero cucumber siya, guys. We are gonna take notes. Let's eat, guys. Cucumber juice. I have here my dumpling. Korean dumpling. Ano?
There's stuff that's not for the faint-hearted. Are you down? Climb on board if the mindset relates to yours now. Catch fears it tears. Up like it was just a slice of cake. Someday you need to give your opponent a handshake. So attached to who you are not. You were caught in a moment. All of a sudden, be my guest. I wish you the best. It's first.
Duty pa mamaya. Hapon. It's 1:01. Walkie-talkie.
So attached to who you are not. You were caught in a moment.
Oh, that is Let's eat nuggets.
Bili kami guys ng lunch. It's lunch time.
She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever?
Guys, bili kami ng Coke. Hindi. Kakauwi ko lang. Galing akong abroad. Ang dami namin inimpake ng mga libro for my family.
Yes.
See you guys sa bahay.
Bye.
And whatever.
Let's eat merienda, guys.
It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Hi, guys! Wait, bibilisan ko na kasi. It's already 7:40. Anyways, guys, ito na yung last namin duty. Hindi ko pa kasi sure kung ako yung mag-student assistant ulit sa second year. Depende sa schedule. And pakita ko sa inyo guys ang aking outfit for today. Tada! Super fit na damit. This pants is square pants siya na ano, mahaba. So yeah.
What if I never get this close again? This close again. Take my time to really look you in the face.
Babalik. I'm here. Alam na iisip niya dito.
Yan, nasabi na nila lahat na sa video.
What do you think is
ano yung nagiging sign?
Sabi ni Mara Lollipop daw.
Ice cream.
Scam na yun yan.
Nice.
Tapos na kami guys mag-lunch.
Hindi. Ay, baliktad ba? Meron din kasi dito. Wow.
And I want to tell you, but I'm so scared that you
Social media is one of our ways to communicate.
Hindi na kami. Siya naman ang kasama ko ngayon.
Yes.
Guys, Korean noodles. And ito ay, ano ang tatak nito? Jin ramen. Social media. This technology is used world. Shh. Social media. This technology is used world. Morning! Our breakfast. Pizza at saka marble cake, blueberry siya na flavor. So, kakain lang kami guys. It's Saturday. Having a little break. Turn and then. Ano, galing mag-grab. So guys, pinafollow ko.